Hello guys, and welcome back to Now Tech again. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your taskbar. So without further delay, let's get started. You have to right click on your taskbar. Now in some windows you see taskbar settings and task manager, so just click on the taskbar settings. Once it opens here, just scroll down and then you have this taskbar behaviors. So just click on the drop down. Right, so once it happens, it drops down the options. These are all configurations which are used to configure the taskbar, but our focus is on automatic hide. So just click on it. Once you click on the automatic hide the taskbar, you can see that the taskbar is no more visible. So let's close this. Right, so just close this. Now you can see we have the taskbar. So if you want to view the taskbar, you just have to move your cursor down there for the taskbar to pop up. So that is just how easy and simple it is to hide your taskbar. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.